आपने कई सवालों का बहुत सही तरीके से जवाब दिया और जो आपका विजन है और जिस तरह से आप सीबीएसई को इस पैंडेमिक से और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हम सब चाहते हैं कि उस तरह से उस डायरेक्शन से जैसे आपने कहा कि आप सेंट्रल पॉलिसी बना रहे हैं। सो दीज आर वेरी encouraging words that we have heard from you. So basically, thank you, Shraddha, for being such a wonderful host. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Tripathi for taking the time to address our students and teachers and talking so frankly about the issues very close to his heart. Our association with CBSE goes back a long way. Global Schools started working with CBSE as early as 2002. Back then, there were no Indian schools in the entire Southeast Asia, and many Indian students and expatriates were facing challenges for their children's schooling on account of continuity, compatibility of curriculum, and affordability. Needless to say, this was leading to unnecessary stress on the entire families, and mobility was becoming a bottleneck. So, Global Schools Foundation was the first non-profit organization to introduce CBSE curriculum in the ASEAN region. At that time, we were a fledgling small entity, but CBSE showed faith in us, in our ability, and we are ever grateful for that. So countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand got the first CBSE schools thanks to the Global Schools Foundation. And today, we are educating over 12,000 students under the CBSE curriculum in these countries, including India. Our holistic approach that you mentioned is very similar, and it's an award-winning 9 GEMS program, which has been the icing of the cake for the CBSE students who have become well-rounded students with strong foundations in academics and skills-based learning, including personality development. Over the years, GIS has been receiving and educating many students of Indian origin who are born outside India. Even for them, CBSE still continues to be the strongest preferred curriculum due to its undisputed track record around the world. Besides this, CBSE and GIS have a strong association in many other areas. In 2006, the then chairman of CBSE, Mr. Ashok Ganguly, who had visited GIS, based on his discussions and interactions, GIS proposed to him that maybe CBSE should consider starting an international curriculum which will be able to meet the evolving needs of many other nationalities, not just Indian students. This vision was to have an alternative for all nationalities to study in an international curriculum, which was leveraged on the strengths of the STEM education of India and the centuries-old educational traditions such as those imparted by the historic Nalanda. The idea was picked up very soon by CBSE, and it took some years, but finally this was brought to fusion, and through a cabinet approval, a CBSE international curriculum was introduced. For GIS, this was a great example of how CBSE has been always open, adopting the best practices for the benefit of the entire community. So as it remains at its forefront of evolving systems in accordance with their requirements around the world. Some more forward-thinking initiatives were implemented by CBSE, like allowing the Southeast Asia social studies to be learned by students of other nationalities. A new version of social studies for Southeast Asia was introduced and for CBSE students to accommodate all the nationalities. We would like to put on record that it was the GIS teachers that took an initiative, authored the special textbooks in the social studies for Southeast Asia. The Indian diaspora, which is making a mark all over the world, finds their educational origins in the CBSE curriculum. Time and again, that the depth and breadth of their syllabus excels the international offering. The proof is in the pudding. When we see the diaspora, which has an educational foundation in CBSE curriculum, reaching new heights of the success around the world. Even their children or grandchildren who have studied in CBSE will vouch for the richness and breadth of the syllabus and the way it shapes the personalities. I'm sure even now CBSE curriculum is creating many more masters of subject in many other countries as well as parts of India through its sheer amount of knowledge that is imparted to shape a student's career. It is evident also from our own results. Our Asia and Middle East topper, such as Anushka Gaikwad, are making a mark in the reputed universities, getting entry into courses of their choice, and doing very well and emerging as winners. All these traits make CBSE arguably one of the best curricula in the world. Yet, it is one of the most undermarketed, or I would say underspoken curriculum whose value is unmatched by any other curriculums. There are many other things CBSE is doing exceptionally well. And I must say that many of the things that we heard from you, Mr. Tripathi, really have made us proud about the CBSE curriculum and how it is going towards the future. Several initiatives which are now first of its kind in India as well as in Asia. We were deeply indebted to the leadership of the CBSE in 2018. Just before we launched the Singapore Smart Campus in 2018, an official delegation which was led by yourself visited GIS and gave us valuable advice on the 21st century skills. And data analytics has been used by us in the academics since the beginning. Academic improvement of every single child is managed through data to ensure that we are able to help and also mentor a child to grow in a phased and gradual manner so that they can improve on their learnings during the school. Eventually, we have extended data analytics to the sports as well, such as basketball and soccer. Through on-field sensors and wearable devices, sports performances on the field are gathered and analyzed to improve the students' games. These systems are highly advanced and in schools or even the universities or national football associations. Yet, we provided them as we really gained from cutting-edge analytics. I'm very proud to share with you, Mr. Tripathi, that we have introduced sports analytics in soccer in the Pune school around end of last year. We are going to bring this system across all our schools from Noida to Bangalore and to show to the parents and the students how they can use these systems to improve their soccer and football performances. I would also say that the captain of Indian team, Chetri, was the proud guest of honor, and he appreciated the fact that some of the systems that they were using were lacking behind compared to the systems that are being now used to train in the various schools. I'm very proud to say that even in the area of music, there have been a lot of work that we have been doing for the last few years. We believe that music is also a way to build a personality. This is crucial part of the 9 gems, and we believe that this very specific program will benefit a lot of young students. It will be sharpening their music skills, but also in terms of, taking it as a profession. And very recently, we have announced the GIS Shekhar Ravjiani School of Music, which will be opened up at all our campuses in India, including the overseas campuses. And this is in partnership with a renowned music director and producer, Mr. Shekhar Ravjiani. A video of our joint initiative was circulated by none other than Mr. Amitabh Bachchan on his social media channels. Our inspiration has definitely been CBSE, which has embraced and introduced newer methods of teaching and learning in their curricula. Artificial intelligence, robotics, design technology, machine learning, etc. are all the requirements of the 21st century education, and many of this were enforced by you today in your elaborate and comprehensive presentation. CBSE has been in the forefront to provide these to their students. We are thankful also to the MHRD, or Ministry of Human Resource Development, for their strong support given to us during the past 18 years, which is why CBSE will always be of repute and continues to give a strong challenge to any international curriculum worth its salt. I'm proud that GIS and CBSE are inseparable, and I assure you, Mr. Tripathi, that we will wholeheartedly support CBSE in all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.